Welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos and to support the channel. Something extraordinary has just happened, something that could change our understanding of the universe forever. A powerful pulse of energy has traveled across the vastness of space, reaching Earth from an exoplanet so distant that even our most advanced telescopes can barely glimpse it. But this wasn't just any random burst of cosmic noise. It was structured, repeating, and eerily precise. And now scientists are questioning the impossible. Could this be a message from an alien civilization? Imagine staring up at the night sky, millions of stars twinkling above you, when suddenly, somewhere in the darkness, an invisible signal is sent directly toward us. Not the chaotic bursts from a collapsing star, not the static of interstellar radiation, but something intentional. That's exactly what astronomers are grappling with right now. A deep space radio observatory picked up a signal unlike anything we've ever detected before, a transmission that doesn't match any known astrophysical phenomena. It wasn't just a one-time blip, it repeated, and each time it followed. A pattern so precise that the chances of it being natural seem impossibly low. But if this is truly a message, who or what sent it? And perhaps the bigger question, are we ready for what happens next? On a quiet evening at one of the world's most advanced radio observatories, something unusual happened. A deep space telescope scanning the cosmos as part of an ongoing search for extraterrestrial signals detected a pulse, a brief but powerful burst of energy coming from a distant exoplanet, nearly 100 light-years away. At first, scientists thought it was just another random cosmic event, the kind of interference that space is full of. But when the signal repeated, following a precise and structured pattern, everything changed. This wasn't just another radio burst from a neutron star or the background hum of the universe. The signal's timing, frequency, and intensity were unlike anything we've ever observed naturally occurring in deep space. It immediately drew comparisons to the famous WOW signal detected in 1977, a mysterious one-time radio burst that to this day remains unexplained. But this time, the signal didn't just appear once and vanish into the unknown. It repeated at intervals, as if following a deliberate pattern. What makes this discovery even more intriguing is where the signal is coming from: a planet orbiting within the habitable zone of its star. A world that, based on our current understanding, could support liquid water and possibly even life. The last time astronomers observed something this strange, it led to revolutionary changes in our understanding of the universe. Could this be the moment we finally confirm we're not alone? What scientists have detected is no ordinary cosmic event. The pulse that reached Earth is what astronomers call a fast radio burst, or FRB, a powerful flash of energy that typically lasts just milliseconds. These bursts have been observed before, often originating from magnetars, the highly magnetic remnants of dead stars. But this one is different. Unlike most FRBs, which appear randomly and don't repeat, this signal followed a structured, predictable pattern. It wasn't just a chaotic explosion of energy, it was precise, intentional even. To understand why this is so important, imagine trying to hear a single voice in the middle of a thunderstorm. Space is full of background noise, bursts from black holes, pulsars, and even the afterglow of the Big Bang. Yet, in the middle of all that chaos, this signal stood out, repeating at intervals so specific that they defy natural explanation. Scientists describe it as akin to hearing a perfectly rhythmic beat in an ocean of static. The odds of something like this occurring naturally are almost non-existent. But here's where things take an even stranger turn. As astronomers traced the origin of the signal, they discovered that it wasn't just coming from deep space. It was coming from an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of its star. This is the region where conditions could allow liquid water to exist, making it the best place to search for extraterrestrial life. And just when it seemed like this discovery couldn't get any more bizarre, a secondary pulse was detected, this time weaker, but eerily similar. Almost as if someone or something was responding. The implications of this are staggering. If this isn't a natural phenomenon, then we could be looking at the first real evidence of an extraterrestrial intelligence reaching out across the void. Already, NASA, the European Space Agency, and SETI have turned their most advanced telescopes toward this distant world, trying to decipher the pattern hidden within the signal. Could this be the first step toward first contact? Or is there another, even more mysterious force at play? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain. This discovery is about to change everything we thought we knew about the universe. After weeks of analysis, scientists have uncovered something even more mind-blowing about this mysterious pulse. The signal isn't just repeating, it appears to contain a pattern within the pattern. A mathematical sequence so precise that it closely resembles prime numbers, a concept often theorized as the universal language of intelligent civilizations. If this is true, then it wouldn't just be an anomaly, it would be a message. But here's the real shocker. Based on the timing and intensity of the pulses, researchers now believe the source of the signal isn't the planet itself, but something in orbit around it. Could this be an artificial structure? A massive alien megastructure like the hypothetical Dyson sphere built to harness the energy of its star? Or is it something even stranger, something we haven't even imagined yet? If these theories hold up, this would be one of the most significant discoveries in human history. And the timing couldn't be more crucial, because new data is coming in, and what scientists expect to find next month could be even more mysterious. Whatever happens next, one thing is certain: the universe just became a lot more interesting. We've just explored a discovery that could change everything. A mysterious signal from a distant planet, a repeating pattern that defies natural explanation, and the possibility that something artificial may be behind it. If this turns out to be real, we might be closer than ever to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? But now, it's over to you. What do you think? Could this be the first real sign of extraterrestrial intelligence, or is there another explanation waiting to be uncovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love diving into the biggest mysteries of space, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. There's so much more to uncover, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.